Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from ZozoStockWatch.com, and this is your stock watch list for Monday, the 12th of March. Let's go ahead and get right into it. We had to spy a big bounce on Friday, turnaround week for the market. So bulls back in charge here. So let's go ahead and get right into that watch list. Now, some of these will be for day trading only. Some will be for swing trading. First one up is ATRA, a biotech name. Now, this is a name that could possibly lead into a swing trade. It is a biotech, so a little bit more dangerous. The high on Friday was 45.05. So if we can clear that 45.10, 45.05 spot, possible swing trade, but just be aware this is a biotech. If you do go in it for a swing trade, keep your eye on it. And if you make any type of a quick move up, take some money off the table. ATRA, that'll be on watch. BABA. Nice move here, basing under this 191 spot, above the 10, the 50, turning around. So BABA, if it can get back over 191, could give a nice swing trade entry. BAC, Bank America, moving up. We have that 33 spot up ahead. We had a previous high back here on the 27th of February, which was at 32.85. We're at 32.72, so keep your eye on that one, over 32.85. BlackBerry holding up nicely after that big pop it had on Thursday. There was some options activity in this name. Right now it's under $13. We're at a high on Friday, 13.03. So keep your eye on this one. Full disclosure, I'm already in this one. So looking for it to break that 13. We got in a little bit earlier. So keep your eye on BB. Citigroup. Another one getting over, another bank stock, trying to get back over the 50 SMA, which is at 76.15. We had a high Friday of 76.37, closed at 76.11. So watch it over, 76 and a quarter. You see the RSI down here coming up over that 50 spot on the RSI. So that one might be interesting. USO trying to make a pop back up the 50 SMA. So I'll have some oil stocks on watch. We have COP, ConocoPhillips. Like this one if it can get up over maybe 55 and a half. Possible swing trade there. You see the RSI is just under the 50 spot on COP. Keep an eye on that. Day trading only, the CRIS, an under $1 name. You see we're right at the 100 SMA. We had a high on Friday of 85 cents. The 100 SMA is at 87 cents. So maybe a 0.90 gets us that break of $1. Possible intraday trade. CTL, possible swing trade in this name. If it can get up over 1805 on CTL, you see the RSI is now getting above the 50 spot on the RSI. 6.9 million shares traded. So if this gets over $18, might want to continue up. We had a high back here of 18.25. So just keep that in mind if you get involved. Dry's looking good on the daily again. Never thought I would say that, but Dry's shaping up here, consolidating. Still has that 4 number to break. We had a high on Friday of $4 back here. I think we just made it over. No, I had a high back here on February 8th of $4. So you see the magic number right now for Dry's is $4 to 4.05. If it gets up over that, you could get a possible intraday trade that could lead maybe into a swing trade on Dry's. GLBS was looking good into Friday. They popped it up and then they gave it back. So if Dry's gets going, maybe some of these other shippers might want to go. DCIX, very ugly looking daily chart, but maybe trying to turn the corner here. We'll see on DCIX. So there's a couple of shippers you could keep on your watch. eBay still basing below that 44 spot. We had a high back here in March on March 8th. of 44.30. So if this one can get up over 44.15 or so, maybe we get a nice continuation move, possible swing trade. We're above all the fast moving averages there. INFI, nice pop, holding above the 5 EMA. High Friday was 259 for INFI. Volume a little bit light in this name, but we had this big pop. We get the candle pullback here. We're holding this 5 EMA, holding above the 13. So keep an eye on this one. Over 260 might send it higher, propel it higher. INNT, very spready stock, very erratic trader intraday. So you might want to keep this one on watch, but just be careful. Don't play it with large share size. INNT. IP IPI, an ag name, tried to get up over 425, pulled back 2.2 million shares. Maybe this one could, lead into a swing trade. Keep an eye on that for some of the ag names. NTR popped up on Friday. MON. Oh, actually, MOS also got some buying on Friday. So IPI also popped. So keep an eye on this one. Might want to lead to a swing trade in that name. ITUS. You see it riding the 5 EMA here. The volume about 300,000 shares, though. That's the only thing. RSI is up here at 67. So it might need to pause a little bit. Maybe do some consolidation. Maybe another little pullback. But keep that one on watch for the week ahead or for tomorrow. JMEI, 3 million shares came into this. They popped it over the 50 SMA. The high on Friday was $3.34, closed at 323, so maybe 336 might get JMEI going on that name. I would just say intraday right now for that one. KDMN. Big volume, 1.7 million shares came in. We came up to a high of 433, closed at 417, so maybe 425, 428 area might be enough to get KDMN going. Keep an eye on those spreads, though, for a possible day trade. NETE, this is the one John Nigerian is going to be on the board of. We had a high on Thursday, the 8th, up to 1075. They closed it at 1029. We got a high back here of 1170. So this can make some nice moves. We were in this one on Friday, got a really nice trade in it. So I'll be watching this intraday. NIHD, a big pop on Friday. Over 7 million shares traded. Keep an eye on this. I would like maybe a red to green type of move in this name. 175 still possible resistance area. NIHD, we'll have that on watch. PCMI, another one for intraday trading right now. 500,000 shares. The high was 1140. This one, I think they upped their guidance or their quarter or something like that. That was the reason for the big pop on Thursday. So we'll keep this one on watch. PTIE, an oil name, oil gas name, has that 250 spot up ahead. Big expanding volume right here. Nice expanding volume, 700,000 shares. Nice move up. Let's just take a look at the weekly real fast on this one. So you see the weekly is shaping up nicely. If this can get up over this 250 spot, you might get a really nice continuation move in PFIE. All right, so PFIE will be on watch with that expanding volume. Pixie gave us a great trade, intraday trade on Friday, so this will be on watch. 19 million shares popping up, holding above the 50. Maybe it needs to consolidate a little bit, but PIXY gave nice intraday trading. PTI. A lot of eyes on social media watching this one. 430 high, 1.7 million for PTI. Keep an eye on that one. REXX, Rex, oil and gas play. Getting above these fast moving averages, turning the corner here with the 5 crossing the 10. The high was $1.11, so keep an eye on that one on the break of $1.12. RKDA, another ag input name here. almost a million shares, expanding volume, big pop. So we'll see how this one sets up intraday. Run holding up nicely after their earnings day. They dropped it down and then they moved it back up. 725 number is the number to watch there on Run, R-U-N. RXII, pharmaceutical name, 1.1 million shares. You see that big volume that came in on Friday. Still below the 200 SMA here, though, so that's one caveat on this stock, RXII. SKX, possible swing trade here. If it can get up over the highs of Friday, 41.51, so maybe 41.55, 41.60. And then maybe we get that 42 break on Skechers SKX. SPKE, big pop, 1.5 million shares. The stock looks obviously like the shorts got caught here in this wedge pattern and then they popped it up. Keep an eye on that one. Maybe a continuation move, maybe an intraday, red to green move or some type of consolidation on a 2-minute, 5-minute chart, and then for a turn back up, SPKE. TNTR, big pop on this name on Friday. Over 22 million shares came into this one. The high on Friday was 663, so this one's going to be watched by a lot of intraday traders, TNTR. And then last one is ZSAN, right? ZSAN gave big pops during the week last week, up 126, 127% for the week. So maybe intraday trading in this one. Once again, can be very spready, but play with low share size can make some big moves. All right, that's the stocks to watch list for Monday and I guess a couple of days after. If you didn't like this stocks to watch list, there'll be another one coming up on Monday night for Tuesday. Hope everybody has a good week of trading. We'll be back here Monday night for a Tuesday watch list. If you like these videos, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Hit the bell to be notified when we do new videos, and they'll come straight to your mailbox. All right, thanks everybody. This is Mike from ZozoStockWatch.com, and talk to you along the way. Have a great night.